Well, here we are up east. We're on our road headed down into the woods. Today we've got a lot of excavator work to do. Hopefully we'll be able to get some good footage of that, so stay tuned. And the whole family's going to be here today, so should be a good day. It's beautiful weather, and we're looking forward to it. So here we are, we're down at camp. We had the mini excavator dropped off today. We rented it, and this one here is a John Deere 35G, and it's a small little machine, but the price is right, so we'll make do with it, and it works out okay for us for working in the woods and small confined spaces and what we need to do. So, and we're off, headed into the woods with the excavator. I'm going to start doing some digging. Got ditching to do, stumping, some stumps to pull, and some debris to clear out of roadways. Lots of work to do. We've got this excavator for 2 days. I'm going to try to work it all day, both days. I got my Dolmar 6400 chainsaw down there on the floor. Got that sharpened up, gassed up, ready to go. It's always a good idea to have a chainsaw with you when you're working in the woods with trees. I'm going to be clearing trees out of the way, so I got that with me just in case.
Doing a little ditching here today. Adam and I both finally got a day where we can kind of coordinate an effort. We rented an excavator and we're making a little ditch here. As you can see to the right there, that's all cattails. This is still the food plot area. And by ditching this, I'm pretty confident that it'll start drying out. Next year we can make this food plot quite a bit bigger. That's the goal. I'd like to think of someday having a couple acres here. And, the weather's kind of nice. We're getting rid of this hot, humid weather up here that we're not really used to, so it's quite a strain on us all when it comes, especially for the full, literally we had a full week of it. It's a beautiful day today. Adam's right at it. I'm kind of off working where he's gonna go next when he's done digging this. He's coming to his little end here. what was happening was, especially during the rainy time, the water didn't have nowhere to go, and it sits on top of the ground. Actually comes right on the road and sits there. We're throwing this, what he's digging on top of the road, building the road up at the same time. Really just giving a place for the water to go. That's basically it. And of course, when you have a channel, the water that's above the channel has a tendency to not stay up above on top of the ground. This is going to dry out, I'm pretty confident. You might not see no real change until next summer. Definitely when fall sets in and the rainy season comes in, we'll definitely see water running down these channels that he's made. Here's a prime example of one right there where he dug, I don't know if it was last year or the year before. You can see water runs continually all year long through there. The water up there always stayed on top of the ground, followed the road. We're really going to have quite an area here once it's all completed the way we want. Plan to make some pretty good memories of actually hunting and making a memory right now, actually. There she goes. He's got it now. Get out of the way. We'll let that dry out. Next year when I get ready to play around down here some more. Hi! We got company. How's it going? You got your jacket on? He's on the machine. Huh? Deer flies are bad, aren't they?
Yeah.
Frickin', hey, I must have killed 50 already.
We get bit all up at my dad's house the other day. He's got one like
Skeeters or black them deer flies?
the deer flies.
Oh, they're terrible today and yesterday. I come down here, they were worse even yesterday. Hey! What? Once. Looks like Daddy's gonna have a helper.
Why the spatula?
Oh, where was it? At the sugar house?
That's the sugar house, yeah.
A little riding partner.
Oh, yeah. see that the water is actually starting to pool up here. You can see it through the lens or not, but water's going down through the ground into this channel already. Which is exactly what I was hoping to see. Like watermelon. You can take just about all of it.
You'll get some bread, honey. Don't worry, we haven't started eating yet. Grammy's
Bread on the, what you call it?
Grammy's toasting the buns.
That's too hot.
Toasting all of the buns.
You want me to toast your buns?
No.
That fit in there?
Ready to throw it in? Ready for it?
What?
Throw it in?
See how it looks. We work with that, can't we?
I think so. Kind of put a little culvert here. Something to get by.
The wind feels pretty good.
Yeah, it does. Four-wheelers. Want to get up in these woods with the four-wheeler. Won't have to run through the water. Yeah, pretty good day, I'd have to say. Don't hear me say I'm happy too often, even though I'm peaceful most of the time. Won't be long, the water's going to take off. Alright. Sounds like a little brook.
Yep.
Hey, that's what it is. We'll have to call it something now. The Loop Road Brook.
Loop Road Brook.
Look at that, huh?
Yep. And it's the dry time of the year too. Imagine.
Right, in the spring and after a heavy rain. Of course, this is going to run all the time here. Some.
Yeah.
There won't be no more water going down that way. The water that comes down there is going to be coming from the ground.
Yeah.
Quite a good day. Really advancement in the food plot business, I'll tell you. I think we should just clean this up and make a freaking 2-acre plot and each shoot our deer here and just.
I'm gonna go over there and poke around tomorrow and see how the stump pulling goes.
Yeah. Look at it coming.
Here comes the water.
It's really coming, ain't it?
Running good. Somebody dug that ditch so it run downhill.
Knew what they were doing.